in my world, like say teaching, you know. I never wanted to be a teacher. I never had the idea of being a teacher. It was not something I ever wanted to do. Seriously, it never was. And it just got carried away. You know what I'm saying? You know, I tried to share something. That's all. I just wanted to share something. Long, long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. And I thought, okay, I'll share this. Give it away, and I'll be done. But it didn't work. And so, no, it's really good stuff. You know, okay, they got to find a way to get this across, and then more, and then more and more, and it just kept on. It turned into like fucking teaching. It's like I wasn't going to do that. I didn't know what I was going to do. Maybe a shoe salesman or something. I don't know what I was going to do, but I never thought I was going to be teaching. No, I was never thinking of being a shoe salesman. It was a joke. I'm not sure. So I don't think I ever thought about career, really. I thought about grasping. See? It's like my career was, my effort as a human was to grasp, to understand, to master, whatever. See? The teaching was secondary. The only reason I started teaching martial arts is so I could keep doing more of it, and so I could study more. And then I could study from a different point of view. And then a little bit later, make a little money doing it. And then more money doing it, and then, you know, it just took off, but it was never my intent. Anyway, so that's why I was laughing about the teacher thing. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.